Hello everyone! This is Faye Protacio, and for today's video, as you can see on the title, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung kilay ko usually when I go out. So usually when my brows are not groomed or hindi ko siya, pinapabayaan ko lang siya na merong kalat-kalat dyan. Pinifill in ko lang yung sparse area and then I'll let it be. Tapos, okay na, ayos na ako. Tapos kapag naman gusto ko, medyo malinis siya tignan. Tapos meron definition. Ito yung ginagawa ko. So if you guys want to see how I do my brows and what I use for my brows, that's not what I usually use. Hindi naman yun palagi yung ginagapit. Pero yun yung gagamitin ko ngayon kasi lahat ng makeup ko nasa baba. So yun. If you want to see how I do my brows with this particular brow palette na hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nito, please keep on watching. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to use the Maybelline... Ano ba to? Basta I usually use this one. This one's from Maybelline. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong... So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to line my brows before filling it in. Dito ako nagsisimula sa taas. I don't know, kasi na-realize ko lang na mas madali siya for me i-shape kapag dito tayo nagsisimula sa taas. So, pagdating dito sa pinaka-inner corner, or dito, pagdating dito, hindi na natin siya masyadong lalagyan ng brow powder or ng wax kasi magbumukha siyang sobrang kapal and we want that fading or gradient look sa brows natin. So, I have to carefully just blend it in. Ayan, gaganyanin ko lang siya. Dahan-dahan lang, sobrang dahan-dahan. Yan. So, ganyan itsura niya after. Then, mamaya ko na siya isa-set ng powder kasi gagawin ko muna itong sa kabila. So, pares lang yung gagawin ko dito sa kabilang kilay. Magsisimula ako sa taas. Hindi dito hindi dito. Dito sa parang gitna. Gitna muna. Ayan. So, that's how my brows looks like after using the Maybelline. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Ano ba yung nakalimutan ko? Nawala na kasing takip niya. After niya, hindi pa tayo natatapos. Gagamit ako ng Essence Little Eyebrow Monsters. Ito yung eyebrow mascara nila. This is just to ensure that my brow hair matches the brow product that I just applied on my brows. Ayan. And also just to keep it in place. After that, hindi pa tayo natatapos dyan kasi isiset pa natin siya with powder. Itong nasa gitna yung gagamitin natin. I'm just going to use the same angle brush that I used earlier. Tapos yun yung pang siset ko. And I'm going to use this Everbella na All Day Liquid Foundation. Ito, maganda to pang conceal ng brows kasi sobrang natural niya. Yellow tone. So that's it, everyone. This is the final look. When I usually do my brows, this is how it looks like. Depende sa mood ko kung nagmamadali ba ako or meron akong tension na nararamdaman or I'm just kind of feeling lazy, ganun. So, depende yung paggawa ng brows ko. But anyway, so thank you so much guys for watching. Please comment down below if you have any other suggestions on what I should be filming in my channel kasi hindi na ako nakapag-video ng consistent because I don't know, maybe nawawalan ako ng content. So, I think it's about time that you guys help me out kung ano pwede kong i-film. So, please, if you have any idea, if you have any other suggestions, please let me know down the comment section because I love reading all of your suggestions and I read the comment section. So, ayun. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you all on my next video. Bye!